What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Bam, CEO of Invest in Knowledge and a member of the Extra Digit Movement, back with video number 3, continuing our 30 for 30 financial challenge. That's right, we're helping 30 families over the next 30 days begin their journey to financial freedom. So in video number 1, we talked about the 2 financial objectives that every one of us in America must meet. Our current lifestyle is taken care of by our labor, and our future lifestyle has to be taken care of by our investments. And really, when it comes to our retirement, something has to work. Just don't let it be you, all right? Eventually, you're not going to want to work, and at some point, you shouldn't have to. So you have to have investments in place to make sure these things are a reality for you. Now, video number 2 was the first of 4 challenges that keep us from meeting our financial objectives. We learned about the silent income killer, or inflation. It eats away at our income every single day because through what's known as free enterprise, business owners can raise their prices to cover their expenses and even pay their employees more money. So inflation in and of itself ain't a bad thing if you're not limited by resources or if you can outpace it. And I've talked to a lot of people about their finances, and even when they talk about saving and investments and things like that, they never bring up inflation. This is something that you gotta understand, and it's something that we teach you how to overcome. Now, today in video number 3, we're talking about the second of 4 challenges that keeps us from reaching our goal of financial freedom. Now, if inflation is the silent killer, guess what the massacre is? Taxes. That's right. Have you ever tried to stick with your budget in a financial crisis, or on a tough time, but it never really worked out? It's because tax is the number 1 expense that we have that almost always gets left off. Now, for example, just say you make $50,000 a year. Now, if you work off a W-2, the government takes about a third, really about $18,000 off top. So you make $50,000, the government takes 18, and you take home 32. And now I know that sometimes we, get ahead of ourselves and we overspend, and that causes us to miss the mark when it comes to our budget. But $18,000 ain't going to no shoes. And it ain't going to no clothes, and $18,000 ain't being wasted because you ate out twice this month. That $18,000 went out the door way before you even saw it. That expense was your taxes. Now you got to understand this. Working off a W-2 means that you pay the most in taxes. And it really it's like you're working for the government for a third of the year because they're taking a third of our check. So that's the same thing as working from January to April for free. Now, please tell me where you're going to see another $18,000 drop into your account. And now, I'm not talking about, tax evasion, and I'm not talking about people quitting their jobs. I'm talking about reducing your taxes, tax minimization. Now, you already pay federal tax and state taxes, sales tax, liquor tax, whatever other kind of taxes there are out there, but did you know that income tax is the one tax that you can control? And you can do that because it's your income. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get informed. And this is what we do. We teach strategy over sales without the hype. We teach real strategies that the wealthy use that we weren't taught in school. So tax, that's what you need to text me today. Let's learn how to minimize our taxes so we can keep more of our dollars in our own pockets instead of floating it to the government. All right, text me 254-300-8108. Again, that number is 254-300-8108. Text me the keyword tax. And remember, you are the best investment. So invest in yourself. Again, guys, I appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you.